I have this 12-inch pine round, and I'm going to add my Snow Owl by Wise Owl. I'm going to do one coat, and then it did require a second coat. I find if my second coat, I do this pouncing motion, I use a lot less paint and I get great coverage. Once this was fully covered, I allowed everything to dry. I took a Dollar Tree circle and just used the hanger holes with a pencil and then drilled new hanger holes in my 12-inch board. You can get this 12-inch board at chocolatefancy.com under the craft supplies. I sanded where the holes were and repainted, and I found these Santa glasses at Dollar General. And I'm going to break off the ear holder part and then remove the glasses from the fabric. I found that beard at Hobby Lobby and this Merry and Bright at Michael's. I'm going to take the Merry and Bright and paint them in my silver and my shortcut spray and put that aside to dry. I'm going to go back to my round, and now I'm just making a plan. I'm going to put Merry at the top, the word and to the right, and Bright at the bottom. I'm going to take my mustache and beard that I picked up at Hobby Lobby and glue it over to the left side. If you can't find this, you can get this fabric at Dollar General and you can cut your own shape. And then I'm going to take the glasses with the Santa hat and glue that down on the faux fur. Now I'm going to take my words and take some Stick Fast and glue them in position. You do not need a lot of glue. I'm going to take a wood bead and glue it as a nose. I found these window stickers. They're just red and silver and white ornaments. And I'm going to take two of the smaller ones, and I'm going to use, these are stickers, but I'm going to use Stick Fast. Actually, these are for the wall, not for the window. I'm using Stick Fast to glue them in place. I felt they blended nicely with my Santa hat. And that Stick Fast is just going to ensure that they stay. The stickers came with some snowflakes. I'm going to put one over to the side. And then it had like a string for the ornament, and I'm going to cut to fit between the one ornament and the letter A in and. And then I'm going to add a snowflake with a little string at the bottom of the other ornament and then put a snowflake at the top. I love the vibe of this entire sign, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chocolatefancy.com for any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils. And don't forget our cutouts, chocolatefancy.com.